and good day from day 3 of Lofoten. So this morning the conditions were quite terrible, to be honest, and it's been raining the whole day, which you can see by these heavy clouds, and it's made for some really poor visibility, so you can barely see these mountains in the background, and that's forced us to be a bit more creative in our shots and not go for those grand vistas and try to pick out some smaller, finer compositions. So that's the plan. We just parked up and they're now scouting already and are gonna take the tripods and head onto location. So let's go make that happen. By the way, be glad you can only see these fish heads and don't have to smell them, because I assure you they stink. This is horrible, but I guess that's why people call it delicatessen, right? It's not everybody's cup of tea, but well, to those who like it, kudos to you. Enjoy your meal. So the road's up here and we climbed down all these rocks because we wanted to get really low for our next composition, and the composition is, of course, this right here. It looks epic. Got these rocks in the foreground, and obviously the red Norwegian hut's always a bonus, and then in the background we've got this beautiful mountain as a backdrop, so that's kind of cool as well. And in order to get that shot just right, let me show you what equipment I've used. So I've chosen to use my 80mm prime lens, which is by Zeiss from the Milvus line. And the reason why I chose the shot is because it's a wide angle, and I really want to capture the grandeur of this place, get in as much of these rocks as possible. Of course the huts, those are the main subject, but then also I wanted to frame the shot in the way that I can get this mountain in as well. And with that wind and rain howling relentlessly through us, it's really difficult to get a good shot, so we had to adapt ourselves, and of course usually we go for the tripod, get the filters out, but that's just simply not possible because with the rain hitting the lenses and the filters, you just get water droplets all over the front and your picture would be ruined. So and also with the wind, tripods are never a good idea either, especially on these slippery rocks where you can't get the tripod very stable. It's just a bad idea. If you use that, you might just break your equipment. So got the camera strapped in, going for the handheld shot, high shutter speed, 1/125th of a second, and yeah, no filters or anything, just get the shot right, get it sharp, and that's how it goes. So well, anyway, here's the shot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So hot. Not our car, by the way. This one's our road trip beast.
6.5 hours later.
So we've had super heavy rains all afternoon and haven't been able to shoot at all. So we've just been back at the hotel, chilling, resting a bit. But now, look, check us out. Skies finally decided to clear up. Got the camera gear, rushed to the car, and found this beautiful composition ahead of me. This looks stunning. I gotta show this to you guys. I've been using my 80mm wide angle prime lens over here, and it really is the perfect lens to capture just the grandeur of this bay. Trying to fit it all in. Been doing some long exposures using various filters, and yeah, it's super windy like you can tell now. The long exposures help to track a lot of cloud movement. I really got some amazing results. Come check these out. To go get a hearty dinner into us, feeling a lot better now. It's less windy now, which is also good. Moved to the next location and we're onto an epic spot here. This is definitely an Instagram classic, which of course inspired us as well, and hope to add that shot to our list as well. Which, by the way, is this house here with that mountain in the background. So we're just currently walking along the road to line these two up, looking nice and symmetrical, and then let's take the shot just straight afterwards. heavy rains out here and it's truly nasty, really horrible conditions, but one last shot we had in mind. We got to get this done before we call it a day. Just here, take a look at this. So this bridge over here offers some amazing leading lines to guess what? This crazy mountain over here. That looks insane. And no need to explain what we're doing really. Got the tripods over here. Wide angle lens is the only appropriate way to do this. Got my camera actually set up in a profile kind of way. Portrait kind of way. Because I want to get the full breadth of the mountain as well as the bridge without having to tilt the lens too much, because if you tilt wide angle lenses you get a maximum amount of distortion. So the best way to do it is to keep it as level as possible, and then you'll get the lines on the houses nice and straight, and that makes for the perfect shot. So gonna see if we can get that right. Back to the safety and dryness of the car, completely soaked wet and feeling really cold and miserable, but the seat heating is making me feel pretty good right now, so big plus on that. And how are you feeling about your shots, Antoine?
No, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really wet as well.
Yeah,
the weather is just nasty. It's like horrible,
but when in Rome, do as the Romans do. When in Norway, do as the fishermen do, I guess. And yeah, anyway, we're done shooting for today. Ticked all the locations that we wanted to hit, and gonna call it a night. Of course, night meaning pure daylight, because it's in the Arctic Circle in the middle of summer, which is a pretty crazy experience if you guys ever get the chance. Something I highly recommend experiencing. Really messes with you. Day-night rhythm is completely gone, but good vibes regardless. So yeah, anyway, before I keep rambling on too long, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like and comment, and if you aren't already, please subscribe. See you in the next episode of us getting wet on this island. See you then. Bye.